Hi everyone, this is Oscar once more. So today I want to show you something that I'm practically doing. This is called a Rattan bassinet. So what I'm doing at the moment, I'm weaving the stand. This is the stand for the bassinet. Yeah, so this is how we do it. So before we do the weaving first, we always soak the cane in water, as you can see. Usually it takes around 3 to 5 minutes. Yeah. So after it has been soaked, this is how we start twining the cane on the rod frame. Now this is called a furniture frame, but there are also other ways of how it can be made. The first way it can be made is through it's called a rattan pole, but that one we don't have it at the moment. So as a substitute, we are using the furniture frame, which is this one. This one now is this one is around half inch. So how we get to know the measurement, we use what we call a caliper, which is this one. Okay, this one is from the Tolls and Rand. So we usually take the caliper and then we always measure to find out what kind of sizes that we want. As you can see, this one is already 5 inch. Okay, so there are 5 different grades of furniture types that we use. We use the half inch, then we use the 3/4. We also use the 1 inch. But the highest grade that we use, the size is 1.5. Now 1.5 we usually use them for making the rattan hanging chairs. Now this kind of technique that you are doing today is slightly quite different. This is called cane twining. This is whereby you have the frame and then you cover the frame with cane. The advantage of doing this is it prevents the paint from coming out, and then again it blends with the furniture itself. Now this one is called a rattan stand. It's not even halfway complete. So what we have here is called the rattan bassinet. This one. This is now the bassinet that is woven, but it's not twined. So this is how it looks like. It's called a baby bassinet. So once this will be complete, we'll be able to fix it inside. Yeah, this is how it's supposed to recess on the frame itself. Now, what we're also supposed to do once this thing is complete, we are going to put wooden rockers down here. So we are going to make holes here, and we usually use mahogany wood to put the rocker down here. Now from the rocker, that is when we use a rotor. We'll have to make the rocker with grooves such that when you fix it here, we're able to screw it safely there. Okay, that will be for another video. But for the video today, I wanted to demonstrate to you, because I've never done a live broadcast like this one. I wanted to demonstrate to you how we cover the cane with we cover the frames with this cane. So when you are doing this kind of work, you'll need 3 major tools. You'll need this one. You'll also need the knife. And then before I forget, you can follow me. We also have a gas blower. The gas blower, yeah, let me show you what we have exactly. Just come. Okay, so we have the gas blower. Sorry, you're supposed to put all these things in order. So this is the gas blower. The advantage of the gas blower is we are able to, as you can see, if you bring the cameras closer, you can see some fibers here. So how we do it, this is how we do it. Yeah, so we are able to burn the fibers, as you can see. This is how we burn the fibers. But you have to use you cannot use a lot of heat. You have to use very low heat, such that you're not able to burn the cane. So this is how we burn our fibers, as you can see, very, very slowly. As you can see, very, very slowly. Yeah, this is how we burn our fibers. So when you do this, you don't really have to use the sandpaper as an application. Yeah, this is how you do it. And then it also depends with the quality of cane that you're using. So anyway, that is the next step that happens. So another way of doing it after we are done with weaving, we always apply 3 coats of varnish. Like for example, you can see with this chair. This chair has been varnished. Yeah, this is how we apply varnish on the seats. The advantage with varnish is that it helps the cane to last longer. So there are 3 ways of applying the varnish. We apply the clear varnish. We can also apply another preservative. It's called the Pinotex. Yeah, so I think that's all that I had for today. So I kindly urge you guys to please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and God bless.